Hey zombie mob, Jason with a Day Train Fearless. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Make sure you guys hit the like button and subscribe. And just a quick update on Shiba Inu. We're going to go over the price charts and then a couple of new news things that they're doing. First thing is they're actually coming out with a new kind of a giveaway. So if you go to Zombie Inu or at Zinu token, you'll see right here, follow, comment, tag 3 friends, and you'll win a special giveaway for the zombie mob, right? That's first thing. Second thing is you can now use a credit card to purchase zombie Inu. So if you go to the website, zombieinu.com, right? Just scroll down. You can actually now buy, you can connect your wallet and buy either the Binance side or the Ethereum side right here. And then you can also now use Apple Pay, Google Pay, Visa, or MasterCard to pay for it. Really cool things going on. I think that's going to help us. Like I said, the company's growing, so we will see more and more things coming out. Now, as far as the charts, about 2 weeks ago, we kind of broke out from this downward channel, broke to the upside, nice move up. Now it looks like we're just having a retracement back down. I would be watching probably around the 9 to 10 level. And that is for the Ether side of the coin. So keep an eye on that. If it gets down there and you're looking for a potential buy entry, probably around 9 to 10 would be a good support level, right? Old resistance becomes new support. As far as the zombie Inu with the Binance side, nice triangle breakout to the upside. You can actually see we've actually already come down to this, we'll call it 11 area on the Binance side. But if it does go lower, we might kind of dip below, maybe around the 10 would be a nice buy point, and then maybe a move to the upside. But also with both of them, we actually do have a nice little bull flag going on, right? With both of them, if we draw it like this, this price action, I love it as a chart technician, right? I love what the price action, I don't want to see this thing go to the moon right now. That's never good for a stock, a token, a future, whatever you want. But this is really good price action for longer term. You want to see a slow, nice move higher, making higher highs and higher lows. So just want to do this quick video, give you guys some levels if you're looking to buy on the dip. That's where you're looking. On the Ethereum side, around the 9 or 10. On the Binance side, probably around 10 or 11. So with that being said, thank you for watching. Until next time, we'll talk to you soon.